Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn a pet photo into a figurine with Nano Banana. You can open up Google Gemini, create a new chat, click here on tools, click on create images, and you'll see this Nano Banana icon. If so, then you can just go ahead and come to your file explorer, drag and drop your image to Google Gemini, and then you describe your prompt. I'll leave some prompts in the description for you that you can go ahead and copy paste. Okay, I have different figurine styles as well. Let's go ahead and use this one. So let me click here on submit and I'll show you what's going on. So we have first started with the intention. Transform this dog into a highly detailed, glossy porcelain figurine, and the things to go ahead and retain: the exact markings, the exact expression, ensure a smooth, flawless ceramic texture, delicate hand-painted details. And then we need to place it. This is the setting, basically. You can go ahead and change it if you want, okay? And the lighting as well. Now, as you can see, this one looks really good, okay? That is one idea. What you can do is use another one as well. For example, this one, action figurine style. If you want, you just come here and same process. Okay, we'll use a parrot for this one. And then we'll put in the prompt. Okay, this will be an action figure. Let me show you. We want it to look like an articulated plastic toy. Okay, heroic dynamic flight pose. And it will be in a dramatic jungle diorama. Okay, miniature trees, tiny waterfall, bright adventurous lighting. And this is what Gemini came up with, as you can see. So it just depends on how you prompt it. The better way you go ahead and prompt it, then it will give you exactly what you want. You can do a realistic style, you can do a stylized figurine as well. But that is how to turn a pet photo into a figurine with Nano Banana.